Welcome to the next step in your Bitcoin trading journey. In this module, we're going to introduce you to Binance, one of the most popular platforms for cryptocurrency trading. Let's start your adventure in the world of digital currency trading. Binance is a global cryptocurrency exchange platform that provides a venue for buying and selling a wide range of digital currencies. Since its inception in 2017, Binance has grown rapidly and is now one of the largest exchanges in the world in terms of trading volume. Binance is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners. It offers low trading fees, a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, comprehensive security measures, advanced features for experienced traders. This makes it an excellent choice for both new and seasoned traders. Setting up an account on Binance is straightforward. You'll need to provide some personal information and go through a verification process for security purposes. We'll walk you through this process step by step in our upcoming modules. Binance's interface might seem overwhelming at first, but it's quite intuitive. The dashboard gives you quick access to important features like your wallet, trading markets, and transaction history. We'll cover how to navigate and use these features effectively in later modules. Security is paramount in cryptocurrency trading. Binance provides robust security features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, withdrawal whitelist, and device management. We'll teach you how to use these to keep your account secure in upcoming lessons. You're now familiar with what Binance is and why it's a preferred choice for Bitcoin trading. In the next modules, we'll dive deeper into how to use Binance to its full potential, from making your first trade to exploring advanced features. Stay tuned